In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the thumbnail of YouTube Shorts after it's been published. As you may already know, you can only edit the thumbnail of YouTube Short on your smartphone. So these are my YouTube Short video. So let's say I select this one. And then, as you can see, there is a pencil icon at the top of your screen. Once we tap it, the pencil icon supposed to be here, but after it's been published, it's completely gone. So if this is the case, go back to this screen and select this play button. So just tap this play button and play the video. And then also tap this three-dot menu and then select this edit. So pencil icon appears here. So you can edit YouTube thumbnail of YouTube Short after it's been published. Thank you for watching.